Hey everyone, I am Hunter. Today I'm going to share some tips of cooking a popular Chinese dish, 糖醋排骨 or sweet and sour pork ribs. I am from Sichuan, China, and this is a well-known Sichuan food. You can find it everywhere in restaurants and even in NTU canteens. What I'm going to share is a simplified version for cooking at home, which doesn't involve a deep frying process used in restaurants because it requires a large amount of oil and so not very healthy. Now these are the ingredients we are using today, and here are the 5 simple steps. So the first step is to wash the ribs and cut them into smaller pieces so that they can be flavored and easy to chew. The second step is to give the ribs an initial boil, and the purpose is to get rid of impurities like the blood. Now we need to bring the water to boil and then continue for 2 to 3 minutes. The third step is to add some vegetable oil to the wok before we put in the ribs. This is to prevent the ribs from being burned. Keep stirring until you see the ribs become golden. The fourth step is to pour hot water into the wok to boil the ribs over slow fire. It will take around 15 minutes depending on your fire. Remember to add enough water to cover the ribs. And during this process, we will also add the prepared ingredients like the vinegar, rock sugar, garlic, and ginger. After boiling the ribs for 15 minutes or so, we will see the water has almost dried up. It's time to turn up the fire power. This is the final and the most crucial step to get the sticky, sugary sauce we want. Be careful as it easily gets burned. Keep stirring the ribs until the sauce is adhered to the ribs, and you can see clear oil at the bottom of the wok. Now, the ribs are ready to serve. So this is sweet and sour pork ribs. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and I hope it's simple and tasty enough for you guys to try. Enjoy!